So we got that update for the Model Y that we were waiting for after we got an update on the Model 3 just a few days ago. It is a different point release, 2020.32.3, so maybe there's something a little bit different here on the Model Y than the Model 3, so let's check it out. Hey everybody, David here from What Drives You, and we're working hard on getting that first 1,000 subscribers. Could really use your help. Hit that like button, it helps others find this video, and if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing. We got lots more content coming out on the Model Y and all things Tesla, but if you have any suggestions for videos that you'd like to see or any questions, please leave those below in the comments. Let's get back to it. So looking over the release notes, it looks very similar, if not exactly the same as the Model 3 release notes for 2020.32.2. So feel free to pause on the release notes here and let me know if you see anything different between what we talked about on 32.2 for the Model 3 and 32.3 that we have here for the Model Y. There obviously is something that's a little bit different for the Model Y that Tesla had to do for this release. Otherwise, they would have released 32.2 on at least one of the Model Ys. I did check on Teslafy, and we didn't get any updates to any Model Ys tracked on Teslafy for 32.2. So we went right to 32.3 on the Model Y. 2020.32.3 instead of .2. So it is specific to the Model Y. Have not gotten this update on the Model 3, but it does look the same. Here we have the car left open notifications. Going to keep it on doors and windows, and for the sake of this test, I'm not going to exclude on home. And then we do have the closed windows on lock, which I will turn on. We'll test both of those things out really quick with the Model Y, but I suspect they will work just the same as they did on the Model 3. So just like we tested on the Model 3, we're going to go ahead and see if the windows will automatically close upon locking. And indeed they do. So you just have that Windows close on lock setting and the windows will close as soon as you walk away. Could be very helpful if possibly it was going to rain or something like that. So we're not going to do a drive test for the Model Y for update 2020.32.3 because there is nothing in the release notes for that update. But if you want to check out 32.2 and a drive test as well as Smart Summon test for that, please check out the video that we released on the update for the Model 3 and 2020.32.2. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. And don't think I've forgotten about this, Tesla. Open glove box.